Welcome to Dam ARG YouTube. The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and the former APC National Chairman Adams Oshiomhole don't finally meet. They don't see eye to eye. Without the no throw blow. What do you think say this one me for the people wey don't fight because of their matter? Make I leave you with Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodin. What do you get to talk for this matter? Enjoy the video.
A great good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching it from. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodin, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise, the CFO man, Edo State, as you rightly call me. Yes, this evening, here from Benin City, I want to discuss some issues that put us on public concern, and I think it is expedient for me to use this medium. Actually, before now, I came online, but where I am right now, the network is very, very bad. So I'm just trying to see if I can be able to use it to achieve my aim this morning by conveying the right message for the consumption of our people. Yes, as you all know, we'll be using different type of language. We have the right to code switch and code mix. We're going to use both simple and correct English. We're going to use some technical terminologies in the course of our discussion. We are as well going to use our mother tongue, MT, where necessary, like Benin language, as the case may be, where necessary. We are still going to use Pidgin English. In fact, everyone will tag along with the trend, and the message will be rightly conveyed to the decoder. Now, very firstly, I have noticed something in our state. We tend to condemn cultism. We tend to condemn any plague that we identify in the society. But we allow those things that really matter to continue to prevail. As we speak, we know that cultism is a very bad thing, and the whole of us is doing everything humanly possible to see that we put an end to youth restiveness and killings that exist between our youths. But as of today, our people are busy creating more enemies in the name of politics in Edo State. Now, what is the difference between cultism and politics? If enmity is associated to politics, it is no longer politics, but rather a siam-twin with cultism. Because the difference between the both is one kills, the second one is being nurtured to hate. But I think those who are orchestrating this kind of plan have a separate intent. I think those who are orchestrating this kind of plan have a separate intent. What is their intent? They are just being selfish, because they believe that if the whole of us, if some of us fought for a specific cause, we should be the one in charge and we should be the one enjoying the cause. But little did we know that governance is for everybody, regardless of a political affiliation. In an election period, you fight to ensure that government comes directly from your own political party. But that is not to say that you are the owner of the government. Immediately after election, the government belongs to everyone. We could also recall, please give me some minutes. We can also recall that immediately after the election, in fact, what I'm about to say now, I was the one who recorded it. Immediately after the elections, when the governor was going to INEC to collect the certificate of return. He made a statement, and I quote, I still have the video, he's there. Election has passed. The fight is over. I call on all parties, both in the other divide, to assist me in moving Edo forward. The truth of the matter is very simple. In our country today, followers are the ones creating problems. It is the truth. Now, our youth sees it as natural for a political gladiator or the real contestant to have relationship with each other. But they also think that you who are supposed to be a follower should not have relationship with those in the other divide. For those of us who are more than 18 years, we might be kids anyway, but at least to some extent in terms of age structure, you are more than 18 years. And for you to have the right to vote in an election, that shows that you have some level of maturity, despite the fact that there are still some political hiccups in terms of voting pattern in the northern part of Nigeria, where we have children being registered to carry out votes in an election process. But the truth still remains, for you to be allowed to vote in an elections and you choose a specific political party, you should be able to manage yourself. Now, as a member, hello, okay, my gate. Oh, are they outside here now? Not see your motor now. As a member of the All Progressive Congress in the past, and now a member of the People Democratic Party. In the past, Anikon, excuse me please, somebody's just being visited. In the past, as a member of the All Progressive Congress and today a member of PDP, you will agree to the fact that beyond political party, we already have friends in this political divide. And you expect us to say because of elections, and now that the election is over, when we now see each other on the road, we say, the question is, were we not member of that party in the past? Don't we have friends there that we have tete-a-tete with? So because of politics, I should begin to say go on the road and begin to say, no, let this one go die, may this one stay. Whereas when we were in the same party, we were clapping together. See, not until you go inside, quick. Not until we choose to be refined as a people. Believe me, we will continue to have problems in our state. Somebody said to me, no, let me tell you, it was say they win. It was say they win you. You for sit now, you for tire. Yes, I may agree. But what is the discrepancy between we or Sakunopodi and the next man? We should be able to teach them how to do things right. Now, during the elections, I avoided my friends in the other divide. Even when some of them were trying to create an avenue for us to meet in the media space to discuss, I told them I will not be part of that discussion. The reason being that I must be there to defend my principle to the last. His Excellency Governor Godwin Emeagwali, the same way you will be there to defend your principle to the last. Pastor Saige Isaiah. In this process, I will not want to lose. I will not want to lose the debate. You will not want to lose the debate. So we'll do everything humanly possible to win. So in this case, we might engage ourselves in negative altercation. And that may not go well with us as a friend. So the best thing is, you be playing your politics in the other area. Leave us alone while I'm playing my own in the other area. And against that, with all due respect to everyone, I am into business. Everybody from different political divide gives me business. Nobody has ever called me to say, you are a PDP man, that's what I want to give you. Or you are an APC man, that's what I want to give you. They are giving me these businesses because of the fact that they choose to engage me in their various activities. And you now expect me to come out to say, okay, this one, the man of a truth. I was born and brought up as a Jehovah's Witnesses. Forget the fact that I later backslide, owing to the fact that my character no longer suits the standard of these people. That's the truth. I cannot condemn Jehovah's Witnesses. I should be able to state clearly that I am the one that have not been able to meet up to the expectation and standard of this group. But let's be factual. Excuse me. I been leader, I did live video. Not Facebook. How it's going. Let's be factual. It will be very, very difficult for the likes of Osakwinokodi. See, this is my kind of person. Please forgive me. I will beg you. I will beg you to. I cannot make enemy. I don't like enmity. For me to make enmity with you, I will run. Election is over. If the man who we all worked for tirelessly came out to say in all the media outlets that the fight is over, let us all come together. This is not to say that we cannot disagree in the political activity. Let's take an example. I cannot sit and watch an APC man coming out now to discredit this government. I'm going to immediately engage the APC man on the trade. But I will not attack the APC man. I will attack his ideologies and views in respect to the administration. You cannot come out and say, you the craze, make this man go sit down, God punish you. No, that's not the game. It is politics, not war. It is politics, not enmity. And again, with all due respect to everyone, please. Now, I want to state this. Osakwinokodi moves from bushes to bushes. In fact, I am a recognized bushman. I won't dispute it. So if you call me today, go sit down, you are a bushman. That is who I am. Because if time is 24 hours, I spend nothing less than about 12 hours in the bush on a daily basis. This is because of the fact that you that is watching me and those that are not watching me right now have been commissioning me to carry out this task. So in this process, while I'm in the bush and I'm going to make enemies, my dear brother, I have no police, I have no army, I have no air force. I'm only giving my character and my wisdom to interact with people. If at the end of the day, those persons now see me on the bush, you will insult me. You will not today. Can I defeat 30 people? Can I single-handedly defeat 10 people? My dear brothers and sisters, I am strongly doing what is right in respect to the administration of Edo State, but believe me, I have no enemy. State it clear. And now let's take an example with what happened in the recent past. A very good friend of mine, I have known Amafe Jessica since 2011. Amafe Jessica was not a member of any political party before she later joined. And in fact, I cannot attest to the fact that she has joined a political party now, but I know she has a support base, and she has openly said that she's an ardent supporter of Osagie Izeyama. In fact, my leader, distinguished Senator Ege Edobonzami, myself and Amafe Jessica always meets in my leader's house. Now, Amafe Jessica is celebrating her birthday. Some person said, I saw some persons, I'm sorry, excuse me. Amafe Jessica is celebrating her birthday. She invited me. In fact, I will not wait for Amafe Jessica to invite me before I find myself on her birthday. No, I will not wait. We said, okay, committee of friends. At the end of the day, we joined our heads together to organize a surprise birthday for Amafe Jessica. We did that birthday on her behalf. She was never aware. See, at the end of the day, we celebrated the birthday all together, and some persons expect us to say, now Tony Kabaka came into the birthday. I will not see Kabaka, I will say, hey, for what? For what? If Kabaka have issue with anybody, it is Kabaka and those persons, not me. I have no issues with anybody. The only issue I have is political issue. And if you understand the nitty-gritties of politics as it ought to be, there is no permanent friend and no permanent enemy. What is permanent is interest. It is the rule of politics. So forgive me if you think that Osakwuno is making, I say, believe me, the kind of person that I am, I love to be humble. Yes, it is also true that I am a real fighter. It is true. Everyone knows this. But I choose my fight. I don't fight like a goat. You cannot expect me to be insulting everybody online. All because, see, definitely, one of the veritable tools of modern democracy is opposition. If even the Benin at the states, a brother na boya obona unwanigbe, you too correct. You too, nobody even they oppose you. You know, it's not clear. That is why it is very difficult for you to see me attacking somebody on my Facebook page. Even if you insult me, I'm going to diplomatically tell you the reason why I have decided to tread on this path. I have little kids that is growing. They are here. Then at the end of the day, I will not begin to say, when the one is no kekade it's your bone, no kudode it's your bone, no ketade it's your bone. Let me tell you something. In the game of politics, you convince people. Hello, excuse me. Hello, hello. Hello. Are you scared? Okay, no change. No. So please, sorry for somebody just came to visit me, a friend of mine, a very strong one. And now, as I've earlier said, regardless of political affiliation, see, if you want a better Edo, believe me today, if you want a better Edo, purge your heart of hate. One thing I have learned is, I have said this before now, as a human, everybody has potential of jealousy in their mind. But ensure that your jealousy becomes proper jealousy, not a proper one. Now, you see somebody do what he burn. You know, say this person do what he burn. But for your men, you can say, aye, that one not even good self. You know, if you see the way my friend gets, this your own, you know, say this your own, not try. You will never grow. But when you have proper jealousy, my God, that's when you do so too much. I swear, I believe you. Bro, God will give you the grace and the ability to do what is right. And to do beyond what you have acknowledged. So, now, in the party, I saw the likes of Felicity Seri. In politics, you do not intimidate people to support you. You convince them to support you. You show them the reason as we speak in the elections by the power of God Almighty. I know so many persons around the world that we convinced to give support. Not because of the fact that we are feeding them, not because of the fact that we have the muscular strength or muscle to coerce them to support. No, we diplomatically show them the reason why we must support progressiveness. Please, if you have not shared this video, share. Now, if we allow hate to continue in our hearts, believe me, there is no difference between the politics we play and the courtism we condemn. There is no difference. It is the truth. If we allow, because it is a gradual stage. You start from hate. Sorry, you start from jealousy. From jealousy to hate. From hate to crime. It grows. It takes time to metamorphose. And we advise, my dear brothers and sisters, it was politics. It was never a battle. And let me quickly say this. I have never seen the governor coming out. I will not mention him. I want to say before I say the other. During the elections, I contacted a senior man, a very senior man in this government. I said, my leader, the way this president they talk now, I don't like him. I want frontal on media. You know what he replied me? He said, do not attack his person, attack his views. Do not attack his person, attack his views. I was shocked. Believe me, I wanted to impress my leaders to say, he said, do not attack his person, attack his views. Now, whether we like it or not, as far as life is concerned, there are so many elderly persons. Even if we are claiming to be youth, some of us, we are still big. We still get youth with pastors. You know, say because of politics, maybe you see a person like Tony Kabaka, or a person like, or with those in range of age. Forget say I tell person, man, not say good morning boss, or Larry Satomo. Forget the political part, because all of us can grow. Yes, it is also true that Tony has a very big mistake, a very wrong one, that he needs to come out to apologize. But that is not enough reason for the likes of Usakwinokodi to see somebody like him and say in a party, I'll say, may go sit down, may go there. No. Why will I do that? I said, may go sit down, may go there, may go this one. I said, no. Why will I do that? In our tradition, as a real Benin, under a normal situation, we are taught respect. Is it not? While we were growing, I went to visit my auntie. On getting there, my auntie, we were in a house. We slept and wake up. My usual culture, Larry Yuma, call you man, Larry Abba, because we greet Larry not until about a week ago. I never knew that we have an affiliation to the Obiamie family in Edo. Not until about a week ago, my uncle told, he came to visit me in my house. And I said, somebody called me to ask me, because I greeted somebody. And I told the person, Larry. The person asked me, are you from Obiamie? My uncle now told me that, yes, Larry that we greet is for the Obiamie. So when we were in the house, Larry, call you. Then I saw my own brother. That one, at least, the guy is about 2 years older than me. And I said, our father, which is supposed to be his group. The mother called me. Well, you are too. Maybe go greet her for work. Now, okay, my level, I don't greet. But last night I said, boss, I agree to you. When we go come out, we do go agree, say, now so he the do. But she was teaching us the real traditional culture. But as I today, boys the park. The young pastor don't see either. Don't say who was sure waiting the apple, because we know the rate of money we they see come different from the way it felt before. Those days now either they fit drive motor, but now I used to drive motor. That is not enough reasons for us to not say, now we call too much pass, we not gonna know our mate again for society. It is the truth. Small pikin wey don see Kalumba, money don't enter here, you don't see money. You're gonna see and say, you're gonna say those one are not rich. Do you know where I be? Will not be anybody. So my dear brothers and sisters, if you want this state to really grow from your heart, you must remove greed. And let me tell you the simple truth. If you see 3 weeks after the elections, Comrade Oshomole, and the deputy, Comrade Philip Shaibu, were together somewhere. Even if their mind has some resentment, that should tell you that we need to learn to understand the fact that some people say no, that one American politics and Europe, we are in Nigeria, through Nigeria, let us bring America and Europe back home. When I did vice chairmanship in Igbomo community, I contested an elections and I won. The chairman won the elections. Everyone, the community was like divided. My supporters were saying, hey, the chairman supporters, all of them rushed with the chairman. Hey! And I called the chairman and said, none of us lost this election. Why the division in the celebration? Are we not supposed to celebrate together? Forget the fact that you were made as the chairman. We hugged ourselves. Immediately unity came to the community. When I hugged him and he hugged me, his supporters noticed that chairman read that's good. You know, the chairman, the community joins together. Let me tell you, there is no way you can ensure speedy development in an atmosphere of rancor. It will never happen. Please, if you have not shared this, you will share. It will never happen. I am supposed to discuss a Basi of old today, but I deem it fit to discuss about this issue because majority of persons are yet to agree to the fact that in our society we must all work as brothers. And I want to ask, do you know that if we have to trace the root title of each an individual, if we have to trace the root title of each an individual, the man, you find out that the man called Osakwinokwodu may end up being your family member. For as long as you are speaking this language, believe you will end up being my family member. For as long as we are human, if you trace the history of the world, we will end up drawing conclusions with Adam and Eve. The root title will get to the level at which you will see Adam and Eve. You say, at the end of the day, Adam come born this one. But the way Adam born, I born this one, I born this one. Now it's a rituals. Now language separate us. So you cannot tell me Amafe Jessica is celebrating birthday. As she invited me, I'll say no, I'm not a go. You be a PC woman. I can't do that. Or the other one is celebrating. He invites me. I will say, I have the chance, I will not go. It's also a so party. Now, in case you are not aware, let me quickly tell you this. In case you are not aware, I need to openly tell you this. These politicians sees themselves in Abuja. These politicians sees themselves in Abuja. They didn't send you to go and be enemies. The issue we are having is we want to prove that we are loyal, whereas we are not loyal. We are only being selfish and egocentric. You dey do election, not me say you don't know your mate. Suppose know your mate. It is the truth. Go and check from the beginning of the election to the end. I don't insult anybody. Not to talk of now where they say my business is growing on a daily basis. I'll go say Obu Oki this one, Obu Oki that one. Let me say I'm not doing rotation. And I want to use this opportunity to beg those. I know I cannot satisfy everybody. To beg those who I may have offended in one way or the other. My dear brother, forgive me, but my dear brothers and sisters, forgive me, but this is my lifestyle. This is my lifestyle. As for me, I cannot come up now to say that You are not the one feeding me. I can't say it. I would have said that in the past, but not now. Because if you are giving me your job, and I'm doing your job in respect to see your poor and serve it, you are indirectly feeding me. Forget the fact that I am rendering services. But for as long as you are giving me your job, you are indirectly feeding me. That is not the dispute. So before now I can say, now you dey feed me. No, I can no longer say it now, because as at now you are indirectly feeding me. How are you? Go and question for me. You are indirectly feeding me. But please and please, I beg of you, I beg of you, I do not want enemy. Please, if you have not shared this video, please share. I just want to rectify some issues. Now, let's state this clearly. Are you aware that His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki is not the governor of PDP? He is the governor of Edo people, and he has a responsibility to listen to all the Edo people, regardless of political affiliation. Now, why do we have political parties? Let us quickly go into deep sensitization, because I think it is expedient. Why do we have political parties? An organization is formed when a group of persons who share the same goal come together to achieve a goal which as an individual alone cannot be able to achieve. Now, I want my community to be fine. You are from the same community. You want the community to be fine. The next man want the community to be fine. The other man may want the community to be fine, but once we reach itself, before community becomes okay. Those of us who want the community to be fine will not come together, because we know we cannot single-handedly make the community to be fine. Now, the need for us to form a sustainable template to achieve that goal, because we share the same ideas, we share the same views and opinions. So we now decide to come together to collectively achieve the goal which as an individual alone cannot be able to achieve, even if you share some same ideas. That is what political party is. It is an organization, and every political party strives to ensure that their party produces the government in power, even if not today, but certainly in the future. That is why there are rigorous contests. And what is a competition? A competition is where two or more parties struggle for a limited goal. Where two or more parties struggle for a limited goal. In this case, every activity is used to achieve your aim. What about if the competition is over? Are you going to continue to compete when the competition is over? There is a time frame for everything. In a game of football, the referee will say, game starts. All parties will be playing. After the game, they will say, game end. The activity ends there. Will Lionel Messi now see Pogba on the road and say, may go sit down, Pogba will score? No. Where there are litigation, where there are court cases after elections, fine. Echo, excuse me. Do not see it as a personal issue or personal enemy. Now let's take an example. Someone somewhere is coming to attack this administration. Because Agbonobody will come out and tell you, if the person say he did, the governor did something, I will tell you the governor did not do it, and I will show you reason why the governor did not do it. So in this case, we must also understand now, in a game of football, the referee put game in. It is expedient that all parties remain focused. And if you look at it clearly, the government of Edo State did not tell us, those of us who are one of the strong supporters of the government. The government has never told us to go and insult anybody. The government has never sent us to go and attack anybody. So if as a result of our personal activity, I want to show beyond doubt that we are extremely loyal, it is your right. I am not against that. Why for one believe me, I will never allow politics to share me and anybody. This is the only reason why I refuse to join any occultic organization while I was in school. Because I know the feast day we are not free. I know the night of the look back. How to tell this? I don't like enemy, man. I hate it. True. I can only run from people. Lene, normal level. But I hate enmity. No call me put. Me no dey. We are growing. And let me quickly say this. If we all were saying in the past that all this men, when they take government, that's why they do this one, that's why they do this one, they never go now. Make God punish them. If we did all that, and today we now have opportunity to be there, we now continue from when these same people were condemned is stopped. Believe me, we are not different. May we still start to beat a car, they beat Udo, they beat when they come from Lagos, they beat this one, all because we are enjoying some close relationship with the administration. Now we say we are not different. We should be able to show some level of difference. In fact, let's refine a good politics. Even me wey dey here, me self get my own for body o. Not take and say me good. Me not come here come tell you say I good, I not still good. I not better pass any of those people too. Get it clear. Mom say we come back on here, we come to discuss and you come say, oh, that's how we go the too good. No, me self not still good. All of us they try to ensure say we reach the peak of our career and we do what is right. This one is not to say that we are better than the other man. No, I am not better than anybody. I am not better than anybody. But I'm only here to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. And I'm still here to tell you that politics cannot make me to see somebody on the way. I'll say my bonus. Not to talk of now when me even be businessman. When they say different people they give me work, I will not come and say me on this one go there. No, now if you even love me, you like me as a person, you will even advise me say be very. Man was shot in Ward 9. People go back local government. Then we were PDP people who left to APC. Sorry, yes, in the elections. My dear, as we speak today, nobody know how that my wife did feed. As I was saying, sorry, the network was bad. That guy in
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.